guys, today's delicacy is gonna be vanilla cake. Okay, so let's start by preheating our oven for 10 minutes and then into a big bowl add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and then add 1/4 cup of corn flour. Add 1/4 cup of milk powder, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of baking powder and then sieve all the ingredients and mix it well. Now to a bowl add 3/4 cups of water and half cup of powdered sugar. Then add 1 teaspoon of cake improver or cake gel. Beat this well until stiff peaks. To this batter start adding the premix we made gradually. Do not overmix. Now add 3/4 cups of oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix this well. Now grease a tin with oil or you can also use butter paper and then transfer the batter we made into the tin. Make sure you level up the batter and tap once or twice before moving the cake into the oven. Now bake this cake for 40 minutes. Now when the cake is done, take it out and place it on a rack and check if it's done with a toothpick or a knife. My cake is completely done. Now you are going to cover this cake with a damp cloth. Okay, see how nice it is. Now we're going to demold the cake. And we're going to take a turntable and remove the cake. Wow, see, it is so spongy. Now divide the cake equally into 3 layers. Now in a large bowl, take whipping cream and beat it until stiff peaks. Now using a cake palette, apply cream into each layer. Now while placing the top layer, make sure you flip it to get a flat surface. And don't forget to fill in the gaps into the cake with cream. Now you're gonna scrape off the excess cream. Now set the cake into fridge for 2 hours. And now let's decorate our cake. And here you go, your cake is ready. Enjoy! Hope you had an amazing day and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!